In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can create a fully functioning PayPal account. So I see this to be one of the most asked questions by people from Africa and then in Asia, people from Ghana, Nigeria, and the rest. I think you people have PayPal, but then some of you have the chance to send money, some of you can't receive money, some of you can also receive money you can't send. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can create a fully functioning PayPal account that you can use to send and receive money. Very much simple and easy. So all you need to do is just hop on your browser here. You can clear your cookies if you want to, or you can clear your history. Cookies or history is the same thing. You can clear everything. And then if you have a new email address too, you can use it. If you have an old email address that has never been associated with PayPal, you can do that as well. So just click on here and you can see, you hop on this page. So you can see the URL here. So when you hop on this page, just tap on the sign up here. And now on here, we are going to create a business account. So a business account, because when you are logging in your business account, you just need your email and your password. And I think business accounts, they have a lot of features that is best for you. You can ask for a refund and the rest. When you want to create a personal PayPal account, it's a bit complex because you need to have a phone number that they'll be sending you an OTP anytime you try to log in into your account. So let's say you're creating a PayPal account for the US, you need to have a US phone number. And you need to keep the phone number. You need to be paying for it because anytime you try to log in, they'll send you an OTP and you need to confirm it before you get access to your account. So now I choose business here. I think the explanation is okay. And now I change the country. I tap on that. So let me move to UAE. Ctrl+F and let me tap UAE. I didn't find UAE here. So let me come to Asia. They should be at Asia. United Arab Emirates. So I tapped UAE. So on here, I just need to tap on the sign up here. You can see my link has changed. So AE. Yeah. So here I create a business account. And I continue. Good. So here I enter my first name. So let me use this name. Michael. Let me use this name, Mika, and let me use this email address, Ctrl+V for this email address, and let me give it a password. Okay, so I think it's okay. So now I agree to the terms and then I try to create an account. Very much simple. So I just need to wait for some seconds and they are saying they are sending me a code. I'm going to save it. So I just need to email the code. So I should come here. I'm going to get it. Let me, okay, it's here. I didn't have to refresh it. So it's here. So they are saying is 041 382 38 and 2. Then I submit. Okay, all set. So now I need to fill in my necessary information. I'm good to go. So I just need to start. You can skip now and then you create your account automatically, but then I think you should follow me here. So you can choose this individual seller or sole proprietor. The business type individual. We're choosing the same things here. If you choose the business, they will tell you to add a business number and the rest. So here you can change the country to your preferred country. So that's when you can add your country's phone number if your country is not having the full access to PayPal. So I think, let me come here. I'd have to come down here. So anytime you want to log in, they will send you a message on this phone number, even though PayPal is not in there or in your country, something like that. So date of birth, let me use this. Just entering anything there. My nationality, I can change my nationality because this is a business account. And let me scroll down to this and let me choose this. And now let me come here. So where you live most of the year, your tax, blah blah blah. So I'm just entering anything there. I'm just entering anything there. There's no anything important. After creating your account, you can go and change all those stuff. So let's give our store a name. So let's do it. This optional registration number. So the currency of the account, you can choose British pound, Canadian dollar, or Australian dollar. You can choose any currency you want. And the offer, the service you are providing, let's choose any of these ones here. Let's just choose electronic. So do you have a website? You just choose no here. Else you'll be okay. They are saying your business address, so just add anything there. Something like that, and then let's proceed. So I'm all set. So this is the PayPal account. I just need to tap on here to get to the account. Good. So this is how the PayPal account looks like. My balance is going to load, and it'll be asking me to, add a bank account and the rest. So this is how it looks like. So if someone wants to send you money, you just give them your email and they're going to find you and they send you the money. So the other things I was doing earlier, you can come to your profile settings and then you change all those details. You get me? Later you change all those details. You can change everything, your personal information, the business, blah blah blah, your email, you can change everything. Your data privacy, you can change everything as well. And you can also create a pay link for yourself. Very much simple. So when someone wants to send you money, they just tap on the link and then they are going to find you. You can also request money from people. If someone is saying send them an invoice, you can request money from them by taking their email and then you enter the amount of money you want to request from them. Let me open it in a new page. If you want to send money to the same thing, and if you want to add PayPal to your website too, I think you use their API. So send money, just enter the person's email. PayPal is going to find them. You can see these are people. Let me close it. And then here too, if you want to request money, the person that is saying send them an invoice, you can enter their email here and you're going to also find them as well. And then you send them the invoice. When they open their PayPal account, they're going to see the bill. And also there's a different way of creating an invoice. You can tap on the invoice in here and then create an invoice too as well. Yeah. So you can start an invoice, create a new invoice, and then you start creating your invoice for them. You add their email and then you send it to them. So it's very much simple and easy. When you create your account, you'll be able to navigate everything on here. So that's it on how you can create a PayPal account for yourself. If you're in African countries and then Asian countries that you can send money and you can only withdraw money to as well. So with this account, you can send and receive money as well. So that's it. If someone wants to send you money, just give them your email. You're going to get the money here. And one thing about business accounts is when someone sends you money, they are going to take charges. PayPal is going to take their charges. And sometimes if someone from a weird country, like let's say you are here and someone from China or America sends you money, definitely they're going to block your account for some days and later they're going to open it for you. So that's it. And then if you have a foreign bank account too, you can do that and you can link it to as well. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. And also if you have any questions about this thing,